the largest value achieved by 3 cos squared x plus 2 sin x plus 1 equals. At this moment, I encourage you to pause the video and solve it by yourself. Okay, I will solve it now. So that expression will be equal. First I will use trigonometrical 1 formula. I know that sine squared x plus cos squared x is always equal to 1. So cos squared x will be equal 1 minus sine squared x. Cos squared x is equal to this, plus 2 sin x plus 1. At this moment I multiply the bracket. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 3 sine squared x. I will simplify 3 plus 1 like terms. At this moment I will put negative 3 in front of bracket for the first two terms. So I divided by 3 here and I change the sign. At this moment I will use the formula. I know that a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. I will use that formula for those two terms. So my a is sine x, because I have a squared sine squared x. And my b will be 1/3, because I have 2 here, 2/3. So I will write it as sine x minus 1/3 squared. Check with this formula here, checking, this will be sine squared x, so this is okay, minus 2 times sine x times 1/3. This is okay, just plus b squared will be plus 1/3 squared, 1/9. That's why I need to subtract that 1/9 to keep the same thing. Plus 4. I'll multiply that negative 3, so I'll have minus 3 sine x minus 1/3 squared plus slowly 3 times 1/9, 3 nines plus 4. So this will be equal negative 3 sine x minus 1/3 squared. 3 nines is just 1/3, so plus 4 and 1/3. I need to find the largest value, the largest. So the largest value achieved by the expression will be equal to 4 and 1/3. When sine x is equal to 1/3. When sine x is equal to 1/3, this will be 0. That's why negative 3 times 0, this will be 0. If sine x is anything else, the first part, this part will be negative. So the answer for this question is 4 and 1/3, which is equal to 13/3. So the answer for this question is B. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to check my other math video problems and consider liking, sharing and subscribing.